Pip and Barnaby's sunny-side-up soup. On a chilly, blustery day, Pip had a wonderful idea. "Barnaby," she said to her big, fluffy friend, "let's make some sunny-side-up soup." Barnaby the bear clapped his paws. "Pumpkin soup! Hooray!" First, they needed the magic ingredients. Pip pointed to the big orange pumpkin. "We need you," she giggled. Barnaby carefully carried a wobbly onion and a tiny clove of garlic. "And these sleepy heads," he rumbled. An adult helped with the tricky parts. Chop, chop, chop went the knife, turning the pumpkin into little orange cubes. The onion was chopped so finely it made everyone's eyes a little watery. "Silly onion tears," laughed Pip. Next, Pip plopped a big spoonful of butter into a pot. It melted into a golden, bubbly puddle. "It's a tiny swimming pool," Barnaby whispered, peering over the edge of the pot. Into the bubbly butter puddle went the wobbly onion and sleepy garlic. "SSS's sizzle," they sang. Pip and Barnaby stirred them gently with a long wooden spoon, making the whole kitchen smell sweet and yummy. "Time for the pumpkin cubes to have a swim," Pip announced. They tumbled into the pot with a soft plunk, plunk, plink. Then they poured in broth until all the pumpkin pieces were ready for a warm bath. They put the lid on the pot and let it bubble and burble. Soon the pumpkin was so soft you could squish it with a spoon. "It's getting sleepy," yawned Barnaby, who was feeling sleepy too. Now for the super-duper fun part. An adult used a whirly-swirly magic wand to blend the soup. BRRRRUMMMM. It went, turning all the lumps and bumps into a smooth, creamy orange river. "Just a little swirl of cream to make it extra dreamy," said Pip, pouring a little bit in. Barnaby added a tiny pinch of salt. "For sparkle," he declared. At last, the sunny-side-up soup was ready. 2 big bowls, steaming and warm, sat on the table. "We did it," cheered Pip. "The best soup in the whole wide world," mumbled Barnaby, his mouth already full.